In this session, we will see about logic gates. First, we will see about the basic gates. There are three types of basic gates: AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. We will see one by one. First, we will see AND gate. For AND gate, first we have to draw the logic symbol. Logic symbol of AND gate. So we have two inputs, namely A and B, and one output, and it is named as Y. And this is how we have to draw the AND gate. In AND gate, there should be a minimum of two inputs. Maximum you can have any number of inputs, but for performing an AND operation, you need a minimum of two inputs. So here I have drawn the AND gate with two inputs. We can also draw AND gate with 3, 4 or 5 inputs like this. A, B, C, D. So this is also an AND gate, but it is having 4 inputs A, B, C, D. So first figure indicates the AND gate with 2 input, and this figure indicates an AND gate with 4 input. So we can have any number of inputs, but minimum we should need 2 input for an AND gate. We will continue our discussion with AND gate with 2 inputs. The next step is truth table. So first we have drawn the logic symbol. Next one is the truth table. A truth table means, a truth table is a table which shows the relation between inputs and output. A truth table is a table which shows the relation between the input and output. So here we have two inputs. What are they? In this AND gate, we have two inputs, namely A and B, and also we have one output named Y. Since this is logic design or digital system, we can have the values for input as 0 and 1 only. We have only these two values, either high or low, either 0 or 1. So with the two variables A and B, the two conditions or two variables, we can have different combinations, whether A can be 0, B can be 0, A can be 0, B can be 1, A can be 1, B can be 0, and A can be 1, B can be 1. So these are the 4 conditions or 4 different type of inputs that is available in a 2 input AND gate. So you want to find the output. In AND gate, the outputs are 0 and 0 is 0. 0 and 1 is 0. If we perform A is 1 and B is 0, that is 1 and 0 is 0, and 1 and 1 will be 1. So this is similar to the multiplication, isn't it? The AND operation is similar to Boolean multiplication. That means the output is high in AND operation. Output is high only if all the inputs are high. All the inputs are high. Otherwise, 0. What is the logic expression? Next is logic expression or logic equation. Logic expression of AND gate. That means writing the output in terms of input. Writing the output in terms of input. Y is equal to AB. That is, it is similar to multiplication. Multiplying A and B. Output will be high only if A is 1 and B is 1. Otherwise, the output is 0. So, this is all about AND gate. Now, the next basic gate is OR gate. Again, in OR gate, we need minimum 2 inputs. Minimum 2 inputs, and maximum you can have any number of inputs. The symbol for OR gate, logic symbol for OR gate is, we have to draw the OR gate like this. We have an output and 2 inputs. We should have minimum 2 inputs, and this is the logic symbol. We can have any number of inputs. We can add one more input here and we can write it as C. So, minimum we need 2 inputs to perform the OR operation. Now, we will see the truth table. So, again the truth table means it shows the relationship between input and output. We will draw the truth table. So, it shows the relation between inputs and output. We have 2 inputs A, B, and output is Y. The combination of inputs A and B are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So, these are the different combinations of input. Now, we will see. If A is 0 and B is 0, the output is 0. If A is 0 and B is 1, the output is 1. If A is 1 and B is 0, the output is 1. And finally, if A and B both are 1 also, then the output is 1. So, in OR gate, the output is 0 if all the inputs are 0. In OR gate, the output is 0 if all the inputs are 0. And the output is 1 if any one of the input is 1 or more. The output is 1 if any one or more input is 1. Output will go to 0 only if all the inputs are 0. So, this is OR gate. The expression for OR gate Y is given as A plus B, that means A or B, plus indicates OR operation. We will read it as Y is equal to A or B, that is A plus B. So, this is about OR gate, and now we will see the final basic gate, that is the NOT gate. NOT gate is also known as inverter. The logic symbol of NOT gate is, the logic symbol for NOT gate is this one. This is the logic symbol for NOT gate. You will have an output and one input, and this is the difference between NOT gate and other two basic gates. In NOT gate, we have only one input. 2 inputs are not allowed in NOT gate. In NOT gate, we will have only one input. Next, we will see the truth table for the NOT gate. So, truth table again, it shows the relation between input and output. Input, output. We have input as A and output as Y. So, if you write A can be either 0 or 1. So, what will be the output? It is NOT gate or it is inverter. So, output will be the opposite of input. If A is 0, output is 1. If input is 1, output is 0. And therefore, the logic expression Y is written as A bar. That means opposite of A. It is read as A bar. that is a opposite of A. Whatever the value of A, then the output will be the opposite of A. Or it is also written as A dash, or it is also written as A elbow. A elbow. So most commonly we will write A bar or A dash. So Y is equal to A bar or Y is equal to A dash. And this is all about the basic gates.